Welcome to the Digital Tourism Show, episode 267, and the first of our 5-minute workshops, where I provide you with tasks that you can do for 5 minutes per day. Today, I'm going to be covering reviews, and I send you a task to ask for reviews from your previous customers. Next to actual bookings, reviews are the lifeblood for any tourism business, as it can be all the difference between someone selecting your experience over another. Building trust in the minds of your customers is what makes them book with you in the first place. Over the next 7 days, I want you to ask all your past customers if they can leave you a review with the angle of rebuilding your business after the devastating effects of the pandemic, but without begging for them. To help assist you, I have created some templates that you are free to use to send to your own customers. I would suggest selecting one of our post-COVID templates and uploading this to your email platform, be it MailChimp, MailerLite, or whatever other platform you tend to use. Replace the highlighted areas with your own information and dynamically pull in the customer's name. If you don't use a platform for emails currently, then I would personally recommend MailerLite. Links will be provided in the show notes below. You may also use a booking platform or an OTA that allows you to send follow-up messages to your past customers. If so, use the templates there also if they are allowed. In terms of where to ask the customer to leave the review, if they have come from an OTA that has an inbuilt review system, direct them to that platform. If they came direct to your business through other means or through your website, ask them to leave the review on Google, as this will help your rankings long term. So what are you waiting for? Follow our guides and use our templates by visiting the tourismmarketing.agency/reports and build up those reviews. Please do let me know how you get on. I'll be fascinated to know what results you get.